Okay, so welcome to my TV. In this tutorial, I'll teach you how you can make money on CLIPCLAPS whilst you are asleep. If today is your first time seeing this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. So you need an application called AutoClick. This application can be found on the Play Store and App Store. So after downloading this application, you open it, then you enable anything that it will ask you to enable. So now that I'm done with my settings, I'll enable one tabs. Then I open my claps account. So when you open this claps account, you see this video to be how many seconds. Let's wait. Okay, this video was 7 seconds. So you tap on the setting here, then you set your time to maybe 9 seconds so that your phone won't be freezing. Then I save it. After saving it, then I place this pointer where I want it to tap. So here it will ask you stop after, then you tell the application to run indefinitely, then you save it. So when you tap on play, it will tap on where the blue hand is. So you'll be asleep though, but still this you can be earning from this application. You see the yellow fluid is not fading into blue fluid again. So whilst you are asleep, you can use midnight data to do this. By the time you wake up, you will be having around 30 treasure boxes. That when you open, it's a huge amount of money.